I've been exploring the card website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what the Card website builder actually offers. Card is a minimalist, one-page website builder designed for simplicity and speed. It's great for portfolios, landing pages, resumes, link in bio pages, and small personal websites. Everything in Card revolves around building beautifully responsive, single-page layouts that load fast, look professional, and require zero technical knowledge. You can choose from hundreds of templates or start from scratch. Customize with text, forms, and images, then publish instantly to a Card subdomain or your own custom domain with full SSL security. Now let's go over what works well. Card's interface is incredibly easy to learn, clean, visual, and beginner-friendly. It's lighter and faster than most other builders, meaning you can have a live website ready in minutes. The mobile optimization is great, and editing in mobile view mode works smoothly. Despite being simple, Card supports diverse integrations, including Stripe, PayPal, Typeform, and popular email platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Brevo. And the pricing. It's one of the most affordable out there, starting at around $19 per year for a pro plan that unlocks forms, embedded code, and brand-free publishing. But Card does come with limitations. It only supports one-page websites, which means it's not ideal for businesses needing blog sections or multiple product pages. Customization is also somewhat limited compared to drag-and-drop builders like Wix or Squarespace. There's no built-in e-commerce system, and you'll rely on embeds for that functionality. Overall, Card Website Builder is an excellent choice for creators, freelancers, and small startups that value design simplicity and blazing fast setup. It's not meant to replace full-featured platforms, but for one-page sites that need to look sharp and perform well, Card absolutely nails it. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.